Hey babes, it's Lilith here, and today we're getting into some serious business with a sexy police officer costume. First up, let me show you this entire outfit. It's a full body suit with a zip down neckline for a bit of that bold, daring vibe, and of course, the matching police hat. How perfect is this? Look at how it sits, totally completes the look. Now, let's get the full picture. Here's the suit in my hands again. Let's see how it fits. As you can see, the suit fits perfectly. But this belt, ooh, it's a little too big for me. I mean, it's supposed to cinch in the waist, but it's just a bit too loose. Still, no big deal. I'm loving everything else. Here's the full set once again, looking amazing from head to toe, minus the belt issue. Can't complain, though. This look definitely has me feeling like a boss. What do you think of this one? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun, bold try-ons.